Coffee chats, networking calls, informational interviews, whatever you call them, these short conversations can open big doors in your career. Most people fumble coffee chats. Either they oversell, go blank, or make it awkward. But, done right, these short conversations can unlock your next opportunity. So if you're wondering, what should I say? How do I reach out? Or how do I not make it awkward? Then this video is for you. Today I'm giving you a complete step-by-step guide to having an amazing coffee chat. From preparing, to having the chat, to following up. If you're new here, hi, I'm Luki, a career coach with over 10 years of experience helping professionals create a more purposeful and fulfilling career. On this channel, I share practical tips to boost your career and confidence. Quick question before we start. What's something you enjoy or find challenging about networking or coffee chats? Let me know in the comments. Alright, so you have a call booked. Congrats! Now, preparation is what separates a great coffee chat from a forgettable one. Here are 3 tips to get you started. Tip 1 is do your research. Find areas of commonality and curiosity. Go beyond their role, company, and industry. Check their LinkedIn, their recent posts, and the company's news section. Volunteering and experiences outside of work are often the best ways I've found to connect beyond a superficial level. Use what you can find for conversation starters. And if you can find an area of value or care, that's even better. Now, when looking at their profile, ask yourself, how can I help with that? Nothing may come initially, though even starting small will help you develop your value add muscle over time. Tip 2 is prepare at least 3 to 5 good questions. Avoid the basic, what do you do? Go deeper and reference your research and be more specific. Try something like, I saw you went from A to B. Can you share what skills you feel were most helpful for you to succeed in the transition? Or maybe, I've heard that X was surprising to people. What surprised you most when you first joined this industry? As a pro tip, use AI. Give it the prompt, this is my profile. This is the profile of the person I want to build a meaningful connection with. What are 3 to 5 specific questions I could ask expressing commonality, curiosity, and care? Tip 3 is practice your Lego stories. Think of your experiences like Lego blocks. Be ready with short, stackable stories about school, work, or projects you've done. Every time you share a Lego story, take a minute to reflect on what you did well and what you could do better, and make sure to do both next time. Continually refine these stories so that you can easily add them into the conversation. As a pro tip, even before you have a coffee chat with someone, write down 2 or 3 short stories that highlight a skill, challenge, or learning moment, and then practice telling them naturally. As a bonus tip, practice. Role play with a friend, have impromptu conversations with your barista or hospitality server. You can use your phone to record and review, or use AI and the various communication coach platforms out there. And if you need help practicing, then why not join the Focus Inspired Academy, which is your gym for career confidence. Go deeper into these concepts and get group coaching to help. Click the link in the description box below for a free 1-month trial for supporting the channel. Alright, you've prepared for the call. Now what? Here are 3 tips to make the most of your 20 or 30 minutes. Tip 1 is open with gratitude. Start with a warm thank you. A simple, thank you so much for making time, I really appreciate it, can go a long way. Tip 2 is to be interested, not just interesting. The goal isn't to pitch yourself, it's to build a genuine connection. Relationships are built through trust. Make the conversation about them, not you. Ask questions, ask follow-ups, and show curiosity. Summarize what they said to show learning. And better yet, tell them that you'll implement the tip and learning they just shared. As a pro tip, use the EAR technique. Empathize, ask, and reflect. It keeps you present and engaged. Tip 3 is to respect their time. Watch the clock, set a timer and alarm 5 minutes before your time. As the time approaches, say, I want to be mindful of your time. Are you okay to continue, or should we wrap up soon? And as a bonus tip, close with confidence. Thank them again and ask, is there anyone else you think I should speak with? Or, what advice would you give to someone trying to break into this field? If you're finding this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. It helps push the video out to more people and lets me know you enjoy content like this. And if you want to see more content to help boost your confidence and navigate the job market, then hit the subscribe button. A coffee chat isn't over when the Zoom ends. It's just the beginning of the relationship. Here are 3 tips to follow up the right way. Tip 1 is to send a thank you note within 24 hours. Keep it short. Mention one thing that you appreciated or learned. As an example, hi, name a person. Thank you again for your time today. I really enjoyed learning about your path to whatever the company is and your take on some sort of specific insight. I'll definitely check out whatever resource they mentioned, and I hope we can stay in touch. Tip 2 is to reflect and learn. After the call, jot down some key insights. What clicked for you? What didn't? And if they ask you to do anything, be sure to allocate time on your calendar to do it. For me, one of the worst experiences with a coffee chat is giving someone some advice and them not following through. Tip 3 is to check in later. Put a calendar reminder to provide an update. The update can be in a few weeks or a few months, depending on the interaction. Continue to stay in contact to keep the relationship warm. The goal is to stay top of mind so that they think of you for future opportunities. As a pro tip, when you set the reminder, set it to recur and never end. That way you can continually keep in touch. Remember, coffee chats aren't about asking for jobs. They're about building relationships and gathering insights. With a little preparation and a lot of curiosity, you'll be surprised how many people are happy to help you. You've got this, one coffee chat at a time. If you made it to the end of this video, drop a coffee emoji in the comments. Before you click off, if you'd like to build better relationships as an adult, click here. And if you want to master your mindset, click here. Until next time, be focused and stay inspired.